In this video, we'll review the best hammer tackers on the market, highlighting key features, durability, and performance. Whether you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, find the perfect tool for your next project. Let's talk about the best budget hammer tacker for heavy-duty jobs. At just $32, the Arrow HT50 delivers pro-level performance without the pro-level price tag. Built with chromed steel and hardened internal parts, this thing is tough enough to handle insulation, roofing, and flooring with ease. It accepts 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2-inch staples and packs a rear-load magazine that holds 2 full strips, so you're not constantly reloading mid-project. The sure grip handle gives you comfort and control, even during long sessions, and the patented anvil mechanism delivers serious driving force with each swing. While it lacks the finesse of pricier staplers, this hammer tacker is all about durability and raw power. Ideal for anyone tackling big jobs on a tight budget, the HT50 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get solid results. Whether you're on a job site or fixing up the house, this tool is ready to go. Arrow earns our best value pick for heavy-duty hammer tackers with a design that holds its own against pro-tier models without the premium price tag. Built with a chromed steel body and hardened internal components, the HT50 feels every bit as tough as tools twice its price. The dual-capacity rear-load magazine is quick to access and holds 2 full strips, keeping reloads to a minimum. You also get compatibility with 3 staple sizes, which adds serious flexibility for various jobs. What really sets it apart, though, is the power behind each swing. Thanks to Arrow's patented anvil mechanism, it delivers solid driving force that punches staples cleanly and consistently, even through dense material. At just $32 for the bare tool and no batteries or charging needed, it's an easy choice for pros who need reliability and performance without breaking the bank. For value-focused contractors, it's a smart pickup. Not everyone needs a premium name hammer tacker, and speed or brand recognition isn't always the top priority. That said, YEAHOME's heavy-duty model impressed us with its solid construction and reliable performance. The high-temperature hardened steel frame holds up well under repeated use, and while it doesn't reinvent the category, it delivers steady, consistent strikes across materials like roofing felt, house wrap, and insulation. One standout move from YEAHOME is including 6,000 T50 staples, 2,000 at 1/2 inch and 4,000 at 3/8, right in the box. You're set for multiple projects before needing a refill. The anti-jam mechanism works well, though it's not entirely foolproof. The handle has a secure, textured grip, which is great for reducing hand fatigue, but it's a bit flat and could benefit from some contouring. Still, at just $36.99, it's a strong buy for those who want a straightforward, capable stapler without paying extra for a flashy name or added bells and whistles. For durability and rapid stapling in tough environments, STANLEY's Zero PHT 150 hammer tacker hits the sweet spot. You get a rugged steel housing that holds up well under pressure and a shock-absorbing rubber grip that keeps your hands comfortable even during long sessions. What really sets this model apart is its anti-jam mechanism. Staple jams are rare and easy to clear when they do happen. The bottom-loading magazine holds 2 full sticks of staples, and reloads are fast and smooth. While it doesn't include extras like multiple staple sizes or extra staples in the box, the simplicity works in its favor. It's a true get-to-work tool with no fluff, ideal for pros who value straightforward function. One thing to note, it's designed specifically for STANLEY Type G staples, so make sure you're stocked up. At just over $33, the Zero PHT 150 delivers reliable, job site-ready performance that punches above its price point. The BOSTITCH PC 2K POWERSLAM hammer tacker stands out as a reliable, heavy-duty option for construction and DIY projects. While its price point of $72.58 is higher than some budget models, the performance justifies the cost. It's built with a die-cast frame and hardened steel components for extreme durability, handling tough tasks like roofing and insulation with ease. The long-reach knuckle-saver handle, combined with the non-slip grip, provides great comfort and control, even during extended use. It uses STCR 5019 series power crown staples ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, offering flexibility for various projects. The high-capacity bottom-load magazine holds up to 168 staples, minimizing reload time and keeping you focused on the job. While it's a bit heavier than some, the tool's performance makes it ideal for serious users who prioritize strength and comfort. For a professional-grade hammer tacker, the BOSTITCH PC2K is worth considering.